Ashewo, awusha, awusha, ashewo, ashewo, awusha, boom, boom.
Customer. Customer. Not be waiting carry us come be this. More go straight to business.
I understand. Why are you not having fun? Come on, let's play. Play. You lose. You have to take a shot. Jing. Oh boy! Let's.
Customer.
Yes.
Customer. Not be waiting carry us come house be this. Make we go straight to business.
This guy. Why are you stressing yourself?
Everything I did they play. What do you worry?
Let's play. Are you not having fun? Play with me.
Can you imagine?
Okay, don't make that mistake.
Me as me am now, and me.
Just sleep.
Madam, you never touch me, oh.
Oh, sorry, I forget.
You never do anything. When they break, I must collect my money complete.
Good night.
Ashewo too many for opinion. Money do that.
Later now, they go say Ashewo to get pepper body.
These people no like you.
Good night.
Sleep with me here in the silence.
Madam, customer. I bet they don't break. I want to go.
Hope you slept well.
What's your problem?
Customer, you mistakenly sent me 1 million instead of 100,000.
I intentionally sent it.
Your own a lie.
You not touch me last night. You not do anything. You sent me 1 million.
I enjoyed your company yesterday, that's why.
Madam, na lie. Madam, you don't use me. Hey! You don't use me, madam. You don't use me to do your ritual.
You do that Ashewo too many. Hey!